All right, guys, I kind of wanted to show you also one of the entrances of the Palms. This is the Palms of Venetian Bay. This is going to be beautiful out here, and I just want to kind of give you a quick sneak peek. I mean, they're doing all these palms right here, all the nice landscaping all the way around. It's going to have a beautiful sign and the nice palms to greet all your friends and family that are coming in, so you can kind of show off a little bit and kind of show them, hey, you know, this is the place to be. You're right directly across the street from Portofino Reserve. The other entrance is down there a little ways. It's in front of the clubhouse. It's also going to be all landscaped out, but this is going to be one of the main entrances right off of 44. Let me kind of show you. Right down there at the end of the street is 44. So check it out, guys. The Palms of Venetian Bay. It's going to be beautiful out here.